Everyone, this is Fadi from If I Can Do It, You Can Do It. This is my first DIY power supply unit. It was easy to do, and I have supplied you with the wire diagram and the parts I have used. I have used the power supply DC 24 volt. I have used the XL4016 voltage regulator, as I used the USB DC to DC booster and the car power socket outlet, which I may use in the future. Here, all the wire diagrams show you everything. So if you want to do your own, you don't have to think a lot. And I have run it for first time, as you see, and it was really easy to use, easy to control, show you the voltage, show you the amperage. Yeah, I really enjoyed after a few years, and I find it very useful to be in my workshop. And here, if you, yeah, as you see, it's just easy, very easy to use. And I'm gonna put some footage of my unit from inside, how it looks like. Very messy, but just for you to notice that the fan I've used there is the same fan which was in the transformer, so you don't have to buy another fan and put another fan. Just all what you need to do, plug it into the transformer where it used to be plugged before, and this is the USB outlet, which is good as well, and plus and minus out both. This is the end of my video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Our channel is new in YouTube and we need your support and help. Thanks a lot. Bye.